Yummy, 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 yummy. Yes, that is awesome. Oh shit, I gotta put that bacon in that frickin' rice there. I didn't do that. I was supposed to do that when it started boiling. Son of a bitch. What?
I'm recording.
Oh! I'm like, what? Take that off.
It's on Facebook right now.
Oh my goodness.
It's not live. Oh, Grandma's naughty, huh?
Well, I forgot to put that right. Man, are they gonna eat? Kill these potatoes.
Ooh.
Quit now. You do that, I'm gonna be mad.
It's already on Facebook Live right now.